Hello, welcome to Juniper Level Botanic Garden, the home of Plant Delights Nursery. I'm standing behind a royal fern, one of our North American native ferns. It's Osmunda spectabilis. Whoever named it thought it was pretty spectacular. It's nearly 6 feet tall if you stand one of these arching fronds upright. Loves a wet site. This is a low part of the property. When the Avents bought this property in 1986, the whole area had been a tobacco farm except for this low part, which was too damp to farm. It was continuously boggy, but such plants as some of our ferns love wet sites, not all ferns, but other things like the Ligularia, Chinese dragon is also another wet site lover, and Joe Pye weed. But let's get back to the fern. Osmunda spectabilis has the top part of the fronds is fertile, and so only this part of the frond produces spores, and then once the spores are shed, and this happened months ago, it's now the middle of June, it turns brown. And not all the fronds have those fertile tips, so those fronds are more beautiful, but one can quickly clean up those brown tips. But it makes, it's not a running fern, but the clump gets slightly wider over the years. And Osmunda is the very fibrous root mass that the plants grow from. And if you're an orchid grower, you might have used Osmunda for growing orchids, because I don't know how commonly it's done anymore, but the Osmunda ferns, which would be the royal ferns and the cinnamon ferns and the interrupted ferns, all produce this huge fibrous mass, and that was harvested and it made a really good potting medium for orchids and other epiphytes. And all of the Osmundas are deciduous, so they disappear come a hard frost in the fall, but then return quite early in the spring, and they are producing spores quite early in the spring. We collect spores from the garden, from our huge fern collection, to grow ferns, and the Osmundas are the first ferns that we collect, often in early spring. But a big, beautiful, bold fern if you have a damp site in the garden. Osmunda spectabilis, the royal fern. Thank you very much for your time today, and I hope to see you in the garden.